Looking for the perfect irrigation system for your garden or backyard? Stick around. We've tested the top-rated kits and ranked them from weakest to best to save you time, water, and money. Coming in at the bottom of our list is the VIVOSUN irrigation system. Now, this isn't a bad product, but it's a very specific one. It's perfect if you're looking for a compact solution for small indoor or balcony gardens. It runs on a submersible pump and doesn't need to be hooked up to an outdoor faucet, which is great for spaces without easy water access. One thing it does very well is automation. The built-in timer gives you flexibility to water your plants up to 20 times a day, completely hands-free. It's also super quiet, about the same volume as a whisper, so you can use it indoors without any noise issues. Setup is quick and easy, even for beginners. But the biggest downside, it only supports up to 8 pots. That makes it pretty limited for anyone with a larger garden or lawn. Plus, it doesn't have Wi-Fi or app support, which you might expect from a modern automated kit. If you're looking for full garden coverage or in-ground versatility, this won't cut it. Still, if you're taking care of a few potted plants and want a set it and forget it system, this is a solid pick. Oh, and by the way, all the products we talk about today are linked in the description below so you can grab the best prices right now. Next up is the Maotong irrigation system. This one steps it up a notch with more tubing, more emitters, and way more flexibility. If you've got raised beds, flower patches, or potted plants all over your yard, this kit gives you the freedom to design your own layout with ease. The 136-piece set is loaded. It includes 3 types of sprayers, RAS connectors, and enough tubing to water a medium-sized garden. Plus, you can split the system into 2 zones for separate areas, which is a huge bonus for more complex layouts. It's also designed to save water by delivering it directly to plant roots. However, it doesn't quite hold up in terms of material quality. The tubing can be flimsy, and some users report issues with fittings coming loose. It's definitely not made for long-term or heavy-duty use, and it doesn't come with a timer, so you'll have to buy that separately if you want automation. If you're a budget-conscious gardener with a moderate-sized setup, this kit gives you solid value without breaking the bank. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more hands-on reviews. In the middle of our ranking is the MIXC 230-foot drip system. This one is popular with home gardeners for a reason. It's easy to install, offers a wide variety of spray types, and works great for everything from lawns to vegetable gardens. Compared to the Maotong, it has better tubing quality and quick connect fittings that really speed up the setup process. You can cover more ground without worrying about leaks or complicated adjustments. Plus, the included emitters give you excellent control over how much water each plant gets. Still, it's not without a few quirks. Emitters can clog if you're not filtering the water, and the plastic connectors, while better than some, still aren't pro-grade. Also, while the system can handle a decent-sized garden, it's not scalable beyond that without losing pressure. Overall, this is a great balance of ease of use and functionality. If you're looking for something practical, efficient, and DIY-friendly, the MIXC kit is a solid middle ground choice. Now, let's talk about the Eden sprinkler system, which earns second place in our ranking. This kit is a dream if you need above-ground coverage without digging or trenching. It's tool-free, flexible, and ready to go straight out of the box. Each sprinkler is fully adjustable, so you can customize both the spray angle and water flow, perfect for gardens with tricky shapes or multiple zones. The risers give some elevation for better reach, and the included 50-foot hose lets you stretch coverage without extra purchases. That said, this isn't a permanent solution like in-ground systems. The sprinklers are plastic, so durability can be an issue over time. Also, if you daisy chain them in a single line, the last few may lose water pressure. It's great for small to medium lawns, but not ideal for large-scale needs. If you want maximum convenience and portability without messing with timers or digging, this kit is a fantastic pick, especially for renters or just those starting out. And finally, our top spot goes to the Rainbird sprinkler system. This is the gold standard for home irrigation. If you're serious about watering your lawn efficiently and automatically, this is the one to beat. What makes it stand out is the professional level performance you get in a DIY kit. The pop-up sprinklers give excellent coverage and retract when not in use, keeping your lawn neat and mowable. It's got a solid programmable timer that lets you water twice a day, perfect for hot summers or strict watering schedules. Now, there is some work involved. You'll need to dig shallow trenches to install the tubing and sprinklers. It's not hard, but it takes some effort. Also, it's a single zone system, so you can't expand it beyond what's included. But for most suburban lawns, that's more than enough. If you want a reliable set-it-and-forget-it solution that performs like a pro system, the Rainbird is your best bet. It's not just effective, it's built to last. If you're ready to upgrade your garden or lawn, don't forget to check out the top irrigation systems we covered today. Links to all of them are waiting for you in the description below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed for more expert reviews.